Probably you're freaking out because you can't imagine how to tune your carburetor. Fair out. To the end of this video, you'll know these ways how to adjust your carburetor Zenith-Stromberg. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. You'll be lucky enough if your carburetor was equipped with adjustable main jet. Here is this main jet option. Here is just a plug. But in previous models of carburetors in 60s, here was adjustable main jet, which was very convenient. And you can adjust the carburetor with this main jet. You rotate the main jet, and this main jet lifts up or lifts down. So here is, with the same position with this piston, carburetor gets the same air but different gasoline. You adjust the this main jet by rotating this main jet. You can use just a coin for adjusting this main jet. This was very convenient, but this was in 60s. Yes, now you can find on eBay this adjustable main jet, which will be more better than using these tools for non-adjustable carburetors, non-adjustable main jet, non-adjustable main needle. They very expensive. These tools very expensive. Will be better to buy this kit for replacing this non-adjustable main jet for adjustable main jet. But always you want to tracing all the condition of these rubber rings, inside rubber rings of this adjustable main jet. And when they will be worn, this can be dangerous because this can be a cause of fire when gasoline dripping to the exhaust manifold. You realize that also. And these crappy plugs, also made out of plastic in later models, they're not so reliable, so this is very dangerous. You want to check the condition of this rubber ring, and you want to check condition of rubber rings of main jet, adjustable main jet, when you want to using this for adjusting your carburetor. This easiest way to adjust by main jet. A lower will be main jet, and gasoline will be more or less supplying of gasoline to prepare this mixture. So, and when you lift this main jet lower, carburetor gets a lot of gasoline, little bit more of gasoline, so you can adjust this mixture which you need for normal running of your engine. And the same thing, you're also lucky enough if you have adjustable needle, but here is you need special tool. This can be slot design of special tool or just Alex wrench. You can buy this but a little bit longer than average wrench. And you can adjust the measuring needle if you have measuring needle adjustable. The same way, but probably if you have non-adjustable main jet, you need hammer during adjusting process. You want with appropriate tools to lift it up and pressing it down when you're using adjustable needle. But sometimes, guys, what they want to do with non-adjustable main jet, non-adjustable measuring needle, they're using a hammer for lifting non-adjustable main jet. And also the same way they want to lose securing screw of a measuring needle, this securing screw here for just for fixing measuring needle, but they want to lose this screw and lift little bit up and little bit lower the measuring needle. So with the same volume of air, carburetor gets or less gasoline from this jet, or little bit more gasoline. Also, they can get the metering needle tapered. Metering needle in general, yes, this metering needle in reality are really complex diameters. They differs, not just tapered metering needle, but obviously this is tapered metering needle. So when our piston go up, you get more gasoline. So, and you can adjust main jet, or you can adjust metering needle. This is two ways for adjusting this carburetor. Yes, if you have two carburetors, you want to say synchronize them. They should working simultaneously, and this is really complex thing. I don't know how to do this. Yes, you want to synchronize your double two carburetors, in a lot of cars they're using two carburetors, this carburetor Stromberg. But in my cars I'm using single carburetor, simple one barrel carburetor, what you want. And three carburetors was used in Australian cars. As you know, this will be more complex, but a lot of specialists, not a lot, but any guys can help you in this process if you can find them, if you're able to find them. But single carburetor you can adjust by own hands. Nothing difficult. Average guys, they're able to adjust their own carburetors. So how to adjust two carburetors, three carburetors, this is beyond of me, and I can't say anything about that. If you have adjustable metering needle, probably it will be protected. In a lot of models, this metering needle was protected, so it can be adjusted only by professionals. So you can remove this protection and adjust your needle. If you have special tools and skills, if you have for adjusting this metering needle. But the same thing, if you're screwing the main jet, it goes lower, you get a lot of gasoline. But when you're screwing the metering needle, it goes up. Also, you can get a lot of gasoline with the same thing, is with the same position of this vacuum piston. Air goes to the carburetor gets more gasoline in this mixture, which goes to intake manifold. So today we learn these ways how to adjust this carburetor. You can have adjustable main jet, adjustable metering needle, or you have non-adjustable carburetor with non-adjustable main jet and non-adjustable metering needle. In this case, you need special tools, which, yes, really expensive. You don't want to buy them. You want to install adjustable metering needle or adjustable main jet. This will be more wise, as I think I'm installed adjustable metering needle for my carburetor 140 series from 240 series carburetor with the same volume of engine. They different. This a lot of these different needles, different piston weight, different strength of spring, but the main jet the same. In these carburetors, I mean 175 carburetor, the same main jet, but in carburetors 150 main jet with a different inside diameter. That's for sure. So, these ways today we learned. But what do you prefer? Which way you want to implement for adjusting your carburetor? I will be really glad to see what you doing with your carburetor, please let me know in the comments down below. I want to see what you doing with your carburetor, which ways will be better for you. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.